Hi, welcome back to today's morning report. Charts appraisals on Friday the 21st of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's move on to Euro-Dollar now, and the Euro has certainly sharply moved lower today, 70 odd pips down since basically Mario Draghi has been speaking, but certainly if you look on this on the chart scenario, it certainly would suggest that once again that resistance at 126 and the downtrend have come into play and started dragging the euro lower once more. This consolidation, which involved a bit of a drift higher, but not too much in terms of recovery, seems to be running out of steam with this Draghi initiated sell-off, and the momentum indicators simply look like they're just unwinding this oversold position. So this certainly the stochastics have turned lower or are turning lower, and that's exactly sort of the situation that we saw in October, where we had the sharp move higher but then back towards that downtrend, and then the stochastics rolled over, and then it started once more with the move to the downside on the euro. It certainly looks on the intraday chart that you've got this big resistance that had been sort of in place around 127 towards 125.77 towards 126. So that big resistance band overhead has continued to play a role in providing a ceiling, and certainly that sharp move lower. You can see that on this intraday chart, sharp move lower to the downside. Now you could see, I suppose, a test of that 24.41, and then subsequently maybe around that 23.97 and 23.93. I suppose those two lows there from mid-November. But you would certainly say that the move to the upside has lost momentum, and there is certainly a bit of a selling pressure going on. Now, as I said, at 10.15, this is sort of fundamentally driven, this move at the moment today, fundamentally, and 10.15 we've got Jens Weidmann, who could speak, who could be sort of pouring cold water, I suppose, on Draghi's dovish comments this morning, so we need to be watching out for that. Might involve a bit of a rebound, I suppose, in euro-dollar, so you'd be talking about the resistance initially coming in around about that 25 big figure, which, as I said, has been a historic pivot level throughout this chart. So 25 big figure comes in, but certainly that 25.77 key resistance there. So I think any sort of rebound that we get off Weidmann, I think let it run its course over the subsequent minutes, but I think that would be seen as a chance to sell today. I don't see at the moment the euro breaking out through this key resistance area at 25.77 towards 26. I think that's going to be in place now, and I think that rallies will be seen as a chance to sell. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.